Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then scroll to the biometrics and security. Now just scroll a little bit down and click other security settings. Here tap to the setup SIM card lock, and as can you see, our SIM card is logged, and just to remove the SIM pin, click once on the switcher and here enter the pin code. In my case that's from 1 to 4. Now just click to OK, and as can you see, we just successfully removed the SIM pin from our SIM card. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.